Hi everybody, welcome back to the Quarter Acre Homestead. This is Matthew and it is January. We are in Zone 9 here and I'm going to give you a quick tour of what our garden looks like this month. So these chickens keep coming over into our garden and just tearing it up. This is mid-January. We're in Zone 9. I'm going to do a quick garden tour for you. But if you have any ideas about these chickens, we have this little bird netting up right here. You can't hardly see it, but between that flag and the ground. And they either hop over it or crawl under it. So we need some kind of fence here between the coop and our deck here to keep the chickens on that side, and then also a little one over there between the coop and the fence, just to keep the chickens always over there so they can scratch around out there and won't hurt anything. But over here, like, we have a little herb garden here and they just tear it up and put it all in our lawn.
Yeah.
And then they're just ripping up the garden, which isn't too bad this time of year, but it will be later. So I'm thinking about maybe chain link across here, but that'd be hard to put a gate in. Maybe just 2x4 framing with chicken wire and a 2x4 gate. I don't know. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look around the garden. It's not very pretty. We basically haven't done anything to it since last summer. We do have a few things that are still edible, and we have picked some not too often, but I'm out here with a bowl. I'm going to pick some tonight. So let's take a closer look. So I guess we'll start in this front corner here. So we have some beets, beet greens, also beetroot. You can see some beets down there, some over there. I'm going to pick some of those for dinner tonight. Right back there is some bloody sorrel. We have not eaten much of this at all. I should pick some and we should try it. Back here we have quite a bit of kale. So we have I can't remember all the names. Scarlet kale, we have some red Russian kale, and Toscana kale. That's it. Okay. We have some cabbages that don't look very good. We have some leeks. Those actually look pretty nice. And we've been having freezing temperature. Those leeks are looking good. Also some, let's see, some kind of green onion there. I'm trying to remember the name. We have some more kale right there. Let's see, there's a broccoli plant there. The chickens have been eating most of the broccoli. This is an herb. Let's see, what is this? This is oregano. So this is a big oregano plant. We need to prune it a little bit. It's grown here for several years. Behind it is some parsley, which isn't looking the best this time of year. Down here we have some green onions, and this is some kind of herb, and it looks like it's growing back down there at the bottom. So that's cool. I don't remember what kind it is. I'll have to look that up. We have our artichokes, which are looking really good in January here. There's a bunch of plants, so these kind of just keep growing out of the roots. You can see where I've trimmed off the big plants and these new ones are coming, so that's nice. We have a little celery here. Our garden looks pretty bad. I need to get out here next time it's sunny and do some work. Inside our little greenhouse here, the weeds have gone crazy, but we do have some little kale plants, some Asian greens, but yeah, mostly weeds. Oh no, this is our lemon verbena, and I think this is lemon verbena. Pretty sure this is our lemon verbena, and it looks pretty dead, but maybe it will grow again, I'm not sure. This is a fig tree we have in here. We need to get that in the ground. Corn patch looks pretty bad. We need to clean that up. Let's see, not much else. So mostly our edibles are kale, beets, and leeks and onions. Oh, here's some sorrel, some more sorrel. We did have a really big plant here, and I don't know where it went. That's really weird. It was a really big plant. I see some roots there. Maybe something ripped it out. There's a big hole there. It's like something ripped it out. I don't know what happened. Anyways, I think over on this end we have some, let's see, that big thing is a kohlrabi that's just growing like crazy. We have several rutabagas, which I don't even know what to do with those. A broccoli going to seed. And that's about it for our garden. Back over here we have some rosemary, more oregano, more rosemary. So yeah, our January garden looks pretty sad, but weather's starting to get better. Grass is starting to grow. We're gonna clean things up and we'll do another tour soon. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm kind of sad about how our garden looks this time of year, but we're gonna get it cleaned up and make it look nice again soon. So let us know if you have any questions. Hope you all are doing well, enjoying the new year, and getting excited about your garden this coming summer. All right, that's it. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video. So here's most of my harvest for tonight. 3 kinds of kale, a leek, and then I'm gonna grab a couple beets. So these beets, when you plant a seed, about 3 or 4 come up from one seed. So I actually planted these in clusters of about 3, and they spread out and make beets just fine. So we're gonna do several varieties here. So there's one. There's one. And let's see, do I have another variety? Not sure if this is different or the same. Look in there, we got some nice ones. Let's see, probably need more than that for dinner. Maybe one more. I don't know. That's 5. That one's little. Probably give that to the chickens. And that's probably good for now.